Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Enhance your listening and speaking skills through stories. Bam the Brave Dog. Chapter 1. A Puppy's Beginning. On a bright summer morning, in a quiet little village, a brown and white puppy was born in a small barn. He had big, round eyes, floppy ears, and a wagging tail that never stopped moving. His name was Bam. Bam belonged to Noah, a 10-year-old boy who loved animals more than anything. Noah had always wanted a dog, and when Bam was born, he promised to take care of him forever. From the moment Bam opened his eyes, he followed Noah everywhere, through the fields, by the river, and even inside the house, where he sometimes knocked things over with his wiggly tail. "He's going to be a strong and brave dog one day," Noah's father said. But no one knew just how brave Bam would become. Chapter 2. Trouble in the Village. The village where Noah and Bam lived was peaceful, surrounded by green fields and thick forests. But one summer, something changed. At night, people heard strange noises coming from the woods, low growls, rustling leaves, and snapping branches. Chickens and goats started disappearing from the farms. "The wild animals are coming too close," the villagers whispered. One evening, Noah and Bam sat outside, watching the sunset. Suddenly, Bam's ears perked up. His nose twitched. He sniffed the air and let out a low growl. "What is it, Bam?" Noah asked. Bam stood up, his tail stiff. Something was out there. Chapter 3. A Dark Night. That night, Noah's family was fast asleep, but Bam was wide awake. He paced near the door, sniffing the air. Then he heard it, a rustling noise near the chicken coop. Bam barked loudly and ran outside. Noah woke up. "Bam," he whispered, following his dog into the night. Near the coop, a pair of glowing eyes stared back at them. It was a wolf, its sharp teeth gleaming in the moonlight. Bam stood his ground. He bared his teeth and growled, warning the wolf to stay back. But the wolf didn't move. Then, suddenly, the wolf lunged. Chapter 4. The Fight. Bam jumped forward, barking fiercely. He blocked the wolf from the chickens, his small body trembling but brave. Noah, frozen in fear, grabbed a wooden stick and shouted, "Go away." The wolf snarled, but Bam refused to back down. He barked and snapped, trying to chase the wolf away. The other farm dogs heard the commotion and came running, barking loudly. Outnumbered, the wolf turned and ran back into the forest. Noah ran to Bam and hugged him. "You saved the chickens, Bam. You're the bravest dog in the world." Chapter 5. A Hero's Reward. The next morning, the villagers heard about Bam's courage. "He faced a wolf to protect the farm," one man asked in amazement. "That little dog is a hero," said another. Noah's father patted Bam's head. "You're not just a farm dog, Bam. You're a guardian." From that day on, Bam was respected and loved by the entire village. People brought him treats, and children played with him every afternoon. But Bam didn't care about the praise. He only cared about protecting his family. Chapter 6. A New Challenge. Months passed, and Bam grew into a strong, fast, and smart dog. He still followed Noah everywhere, always watching and listening. One day, Noah and his father went to the river to catch fish. Bam ran beside them, his tail wagging. As they reached the riverbank, Noah stepped onto a slippery rock, and suddenly, he lost his balance. "Noah!" his father shouted as the boy fell into the rushing water. The river was deep, and the current was strong. Noah's father tried to reach him, but the water pulled Noah downstream. Without hesitation, Bam leaped into the river. Chapter 7. The Rescue. The cold water surrounded Bam, but he paddled as fast as he could. He saw Noah struggling to stay afloat. Bam swam toward him and grabbed Noah's shirt in his teeth. He kicked hard, pulling Noah toward the shore. The river's current was strong, but Bam was stronger. After what felt like forever, Bam finally dragged Noah close enough for his father to grab him. Noah coughed and gasped for air. "You saved him, Bam," Noah's father said, hugging the wet, shivering dog. Chapter 8. Forever a Hero. That night, the village celebrated Bam again. First, he chased away a wolf. Now, he saved Noah's life, they said. Noah hugged Bam tightly. "You're my best friend, Bam. I don't know what I'd do without you." Bam licked Noah's face and wagged his tail. He didn't need words to say what he felt. From that day on, Bam was not just a dog. He was a legend. The bravest, most loyal dog the village had ever known. And he and Noah remained inseparable, forever. Subscribe the channel for more interesting stories.